Good morning, Daryl with the automatic trade desk. It is 4/4/23, 6:21 a.m. and change Pacific time. In about 9 minutes, a little less than 9 minutes, we're going to have the open in the American stock market, and this market is going to get very busy very fast. We have a closed P&L, 14,960. We're trading 10 contracts on the NQ, mini future the NASDAQ index. We have an open P&L around 11 grand or so ish. This is price right now, current price. Our target's below, stops above, we're short. Daily candlestick, let's take a look at see what it looks like here today. Okay, so the market's been slightly going up since the first of the year, so we are enjoying some upward movement, and we're hovering around the top of that right now. Okay, so that's where we are there. Where did we get into this trade? How did we get the closed P&L? Let's look at that. Okay, I'm going to scroll back in time. There's our trade right there. That's where we hit target. Okay, and this is where we entered. Boom, we got in and we went long, and that was a good trade. Okay, it printed against us. You can see right in here, all this time it was printing against us till about 1 o'clock in the morning. And then boom, it started to go up towards us. Okay, so we see that. There it goes. Okay, so hit target. Then what? We went short right here. Okay, short entry, and this is our current position. Okay, checking back in on the trade. We're trading the NQ, mini future the NASDAQ index. Current position, target below, stop above. We have about 10 seconds to the time corresponding with the cash open of the American stock market. Watch this price line. Watch it get quite a bit busier than it's been. You've seen volume pick up down here. Look at it now. Okay, here we go. That's the open. Now look at the volume. Look at all the volume coming in. This is what happens at the cash open the American stock market. Remember, that's our first candlestick there, and we're just watching it go, and we're going to wait and see what happens. So we're currently in a trade. Nothing to do here. All no hands trading. It's very early in the morning, okay, so you see me in my robe, my nice warm robe. It's very cold outside right now. And it looks like price is trying to figure out what it wants to do. And we're starting to get some volume coming in here. Often what moves the market at this time of the day, too, is the speed of trades. The speed of trades. People are holding back right now, but as soon as they start coming in, with the trades coming in real fast and aggressive market orders. That's what moves the market. But so far, interestingly enough, we don't see the market moving that much at all. Now we see it going long. So we're going to wait and see. Let's see which one of these candlesticks will hold up, okay? Now, do we need to know that in automatic trading? No, not a thing. And does anyone know the next tick of the market? No, this trade could stop out or hit target, either one. Just because we're floating down here near our target a little bit. Okay, we're about 3 minutes into the trade after the cash open in the American stock market, and you can see price has gone up and price has gone down. Not doing very much yet. It needs to, in order to hit this target, it needs to collapse below this area, and so far not doing it. Okay, so it can and will do anything at any time. People need to remember, this is automatic trading. What is the market? The market is a random set of probabilities according to market participants that day, news items, seasons of the market, people that have to so that's all with discretionary trading. But in automatic trading, do you need to know that? No! Automatic trading, my friends. Look at it starting to break down, okay? We're starting to come down where we thought we would. Now, once we get down below here, we should see some, if we get down here, we'll see some volume increase here and some, okay. All right, so let's wait and see. And no one knows the next tick of the market. And this is no hands, all no hands automatic algo trading. Full algo. In fact, I don't have to be here at all to push the button, okay? So look at the price action, and you can see that these trades are all automatic and that they're being executed also without a trader knowing any code, okay? So how can we do that? It's a new day in trading, okay, for the independent trader and for institutions alike. This can be done very easily. People that even have access to lots of coders and data scientists and all this stuff. What's more important, all that or your profitability? Sometimes getting to the market faster is the better of the two, okay? And sometimes it's not. But let me tell you, there's something to be said for not having to get the bugs out of the code of every algo that you create. Therefore, you do it without knowing any code. That coding's already done, and it's flawless, okay? It makes you trade flawlessly. So, exciting stuff. You can see now we're zooming away from our target at the moment. So we'll check back on this in a few minutes. Okay, as you can see, we're getting down here close. Once again, getting close to our target. We have some downward motion now. All we need to do is slip down a little bit slightly below the wick that we've seen here before, and we will hit our target. So you can see this area right here, and that's what we're looking for. So this is all automatic trading, so you don't have to be here. I set this the night before, so as you can see, I'm here in my robe. I woke up this morning, I'm having my coffee, okay? There we go. Automatic trading, my friends. The results speak for themselves. So, 29,915. I have inkling that we are going to take one more small trade, okay? We're going to take one more small trade. Not right now, but we'll check back in on it when that happens. Checking back in, you can see we just continued to slide here on a lot of volumes, taking out a lot of market stops and hitting our target at the same time, okay? So let's take a look here, just like institutions do, and moving the market around. Okay, so let's take a look back here. I'm going to scroll back in time and look at our trades, okay? We've had two trades. Last night, we entered, boom, right there. We entered around midnight last night. We went long, okay? And then, what did we do? We hit target right there. Then, we went short right there. We went short. And that was about, short about 3 a.m.-ish, okay? And it went down for us, went down for us, went down for us, and that's the target we just hit, okay? We're waiting for one more small trade, and we'll check back on that before it happens. Okay, 10 contracts long now. We're 10 contracts long on the NQ, mini future the NASDAQ index, okay? And so now we have a long position. You can see our targets above and our stops below. Our daily candlestick is over here. We've been in this trade since midnight. It is 6:51 and change a.m. Pacific time, okay? So, we're going to see how this trade goes. Checking in on this trade, we've continued to go long, and we'll check back on it in a little bit. Okay, couldn't catch it fast enough. You see right here, just hit our target. Boom! 34,885. Daily limit reached. Trading stop. Strong automatic trading this morning. 4/4/23, 6:59 a.m. Pacific time. Okay? So, just to recap real fast, let's take a look. There was our long. We entered around midnight. Boom. That was the entry right there. We entered around midnight. Then we went short. Hit target. Boom. Then long. Hit our max P&L. Trading stop. Just shy of $3,500 a contract on the NQ mini future of the NASDAQ index. Automatic trading. Strong automatic trading. The results speak for themselves.